me show you. So open your Windows 11 uh, VM. Okay, so in your workstation. Okay, so go to the settings. How you can go to the settings? Click on your VM and settings. Okay, also you can click here on your VM and go to settings. Okay, so click on settings. You can see here we have net. Okay, so it's currently not connected, so click on connected and connect at power on. Okay, and also this option is a bridge connected directly to your physical network. Okay, so we need this one to access the internet. Okay, because we don't want to create another network. I want to create this one. Okay, so click OK, and now you can see the internet is working. Okay, in your machine. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.